Welcome, today I am with Oculus Quest 2 and I will show you how we can set up screen lock on this device. So first we have to go for the settings, and next we have to simply go for the security. Next we have to go for the unlock pattern, tap to create, and we can set the protection pattern. So I'm gonna make it very simple and very common, just like that, to show you how it works. And we have to confirm, continue. If you misclick, you can just click clear and just set it up one more time. Then confirm. Right now we have to re-enter. And right now we simply make it. Right here we can reset and remove currently unlocked pattern, but of course you have to remember when you try to make it, you have to input your currently pattern. So the person that don't know this cannot remove it. That's obvious. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.